Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will review the UOB Visa Infinite Metal card. We'll dive straight into its premium features, helping you understand if this card aligns with your financial goals. We'll cover the unique rewards structure, exclusive benefits, and the eligibility criteria you need to meet. This review aims to provide a clear overview so you can make an informed decision about adding this prestigious card to your wallet. This card truly shines with its rewards program, offering accelerated miles on specific spending categories, especially travel and overseas transactions. Imagine earning up to 4 miles for every $1 spent, making your next trip even more rewarding. Beyond miles, you'll gain complimentary access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, plus exclusive invitations to private events and unique lifestyle experiences. Before applying, it's crucial to understand the eligibility requirements. Generally, applicants need an annual income of $150,000. The card comes with an annual fee of $654, which includes goods and services tax, though waivers might be available under certain conditions. Also, be aware of additional charges, such as a 25% foreign currency transaction fee, which is important for international spending. So, is the UOB Visa Infinite Metal card the right fit for you? Weigh the substantial benefits, like accelerated miles and lounge access, against the $654 annual fee. Consider your personal spending habits and how often you travel internationally to maximize its value. If you're a high spender who frequently travels, this card could be incredibly rewarding. Also, for other great deals and the link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.